Okay guys, welcome back. So we're gonna do a review of the Harry Potter Hagrid's Hut. This is a pretty cool set. As you can see, it comes with a few minifigures here. Hagrid himself. Boom. I think this is a pretty cool, the way they did the chain around the neck. I'm not sure you can see that. It's just like a circular bicycle handle and a chain. Really, really cool. And if we pull open, switch this around. So if you look inside, you can see they have this stuff hanging up here, which is super awesome. We can pull this up and hit this little button. And there's a little light brick in there, so the fireplace actually lights up. And they have the dragon's egg. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. Yeah, and then there's like the Harry Potter, the Boy Who Lived magazine or newspaper. And so yeah, so this is Hagrid's hut. Of course, everything all fell over when I moved it. I give this one. This Lego set's probably a 9 out of 10 for Harry Potter. There's not a ton of good Harry Potter ones. If you guys want to see more Lego reviews, smash subscribe.